I just wanna say thank you so much kay Prince Ever Love. Ayun for this. Stand fan. Thank you so much. Thank you so much always. So, ayun. Titingnan ko na guys kung ano ba siya. Okay na ba siya? Mainit ang panahon. Thank you so much, Prince Everlove. Ayan, ito yung napili ko. I choose this. Mainit talaga ang panahon dito, guys. Ayan, nasira yung aming electric. Ayan, buti na lang. Ayan. Thank you so much. And so I'm so happy. And thank you so much, Principe ng Everlove for this stand fan. So, hindi ko na to muna gagamitin yung aking pamaypay. Ayan, may God bless you po always. Ayan, my friend darling Everlove. Thank you so much.